How to download the Hive app on your device. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download the Hive app on your device, whether it is iOS or Android. Now, if you are using an Android device, you want to open the Play Store app on your device. Now, if you are using iOS, open App Store, then you want to tap on the search bar. Now, type Hive app. This is the app you should be looking for. If you want to know more about this application, you have About This App section where you have all the information about Hive app. Now, Hive creates elegant smart home devices and services with a simple to use app. It also helps to save money and energy with Hive. If you want other details, you can get that from here. If you want the user's review, simply head back and scroll down and you have the ratings and review section. Now, if you want to download this application, simply tap on the install button. Now, depending on the size of the file and also your internet speed, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. Once it has been installed, you can simply tap on the open option and start using this application. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.